Hello to all of my young gardeners. This is Susu, and I'm out in the vegetable garden today. Today, I would like to talk to you about okra. Okra is one of my favorite vegetables, and here are the plants, and this is the leaf of an okra. And it's pretty cool because it's divided into 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And some people will call okra lady's fingers because of the way the leaves are. And if you look down in the center of this leaf, you will see that there is a red color, red spot right there in the center. So that if you see this plant somewhere and you're not quite sure what it is, you can identify it by the leaf, how the leaf is arranged, and this red spot. Now the flowers on okra are really attractive. This is kind of an off-white color, and it's fairly large. It's about 3 or 4 inches wide. But what is really cool about the okra flower is that it's perfect. And what that means is it has both the pistil and the stamen on the same flower. So that makes it perfect. Whereas we've talked previously about squash and cucumbers, and they have an imperfect flower because there's male and female structures on separate flowers. But on the okra, the pistil and the stamen are all on the same flower. So it can self-pollinate, which is very cool. The pollen will just drift up here to the pistil, to the stigma, where it will stick and pollinate the flower. Now, it's nice if you have an insect that comes along and helps to fertilize the flower, but it's not absolutely necessary. So there is an okra flower, which I think is just beautiful. Now, here is an okra that the fruit has already been fertilized and has developed, and this is ready to pick right now. Now, here is one that's just a little smaller, and it's going to take a couple more days to grow before I can pick it. But you can see at the base of the okra, this is called the calyx. And the calyx actually holds the flower in place. And you can see it underneath here. You can also see some ants that are crawling around. But the calyx is right there at the base holding all of the petals. So when the flower falls off, the calyx will stay. I wanted to try to get a good shot of that. Do you see the little tendrils coming out from the base of the okra? Yeah. Now I have cut open an okra so that you can see the inside. And you can see all the seeds that are there. It's very seedy. And the seeds are the little white round structures going up the sides. Now, the thing about okra is it has a gooey substance on the inside. It's kind of sticky. This is kind of gooey. And I've also cut one in a different direction. This is how I cut it to cook it. And it kind of looks like a star. So it's very pretty in the skillet when you fry this up. But the way to get rid of the mucilage so that you don't have that sticky, gooey flavor in your mouth when you eat it is you cook it at high temperatures. And that pretty much takes care of it. And you don't want to add water to this because that just makes the mucilage more thick. So you want to avoid that. Just put a little bit of olive oil or something in the skillet, and you can also bake it. You could bake it whole if you wanted to, without cutting it at all, and that really cuts down on the mucilage or the sticky, slimy material. But the next time you have an opportunity to eat okra, you should really give it a try, because I really love it. There you have it. Over and out from Susu's Garden. Love you.